Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.5% in the last two sessions. The RSI has shifted sharply into the overbought area. Bitcoin has added 3.3% in the last three sessions. The RSI has receded into neutral territory. The price of gold has fallen 3.1% in the last three sessions. The stochastic RSI is heating up and is currently positive. The price of crude oil has gained 4% in the last three sessions. The ultimate oscillator has shifted sharply into neutral territory.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street is concerned about the Yellen Regulators Super Summit, and with good reason, according to market watchers. The street should be worried, according to the former head of electronic brokerage at ITG. eBang International, a blockchain technology company, today announced the completion of the design for a chip for simultaneous Litecoin and Dogecoin mining. The dollar climbed toward a fifth straight daily gain on confidence in the U.S. economic outlook and the possibility that Friday's jobs report might be stronger than expected.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Germany's factory orders will be released at 700 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT, the US average hourly earnings at 1330 GMT. The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 1330 GMT, Japan's leading economic index at 500 GMT, Japan's coincident index at 500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.